Hi everyone, I'm Lena Jacome. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's tutorial is based in a 12-beat rhythm, por Alegrías. I'm really excited to do this. This is a remate, and you can check out a video of where this choreography is used within the cante, por Alegrías. The video was taken in a downtown Phoenix venue called Crescent Ballroom. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm doing two sets of 12, and we're starting on the 12 with a planta on the right foot. So here, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all plantas, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that, if we break it down, just the mechanics of it, I'm here on 6, heel, heel, planta, heel, flat, flat, flat. That's the mechanics of it. Again, planta, heel, heel, planta, heel, flat, flat, flat. And the sound of it within rhythm, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's go ahead and do that. Connect that with the beginning part of that paso. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the arms are going to be here. The right arm is above my head. The left is across the body. So I'm mirroring you right now. So it would be like this. If you're mirroring me. And then of course like this, facing the mirror. And that left arm goes all the way across. I'm doing my floreada away from the body, and maybe just one. There's no need to do it every 3 counts. It just gets really busy. Or you can just have your fingers like this, with the thumb and the middle finger touching, and keep it like that. So here we go. One floreada. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, floreada, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are chaflons. So it's planta flat, and that left foot slides out, but it's still connected to the floor. When I do that, I go 12, they're fists, 12, 1, and straight hands. So then on 3, 4, it's the same thing, but with the other foot. And I switch my arms. So I go from here to here. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's where I'm going to do my quebrada. So I'm bringing that right foot behind. That's 6. So I look like this from the front. Okay, so I'm here 6. And I bring that right foot behind again. Here I am 8. And then 9, planta, 9 and 10. 9 and 10. And that right arm goes down and out. 9, 10, fist, hand open. If I'm facing the camera, 9, 10, 9, 10. Okay, so let's take it from the top again. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do that again. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One's toward the camera. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you so much for joining me. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.